Hi guys, and welcome to the Andrew Tutorial YouTube channel. Today we're gonna check the Nest Protect alarm. For the people that don't know what this device is, it's basically a smart smoke detector and carbon dioxide detector. And it's able to integrate with other smart home appliances, with other applications, and do a whole bunch of stuff. But today we're not gonna dabble into that. We're just gonna see how to test that it is properly working, because sometimes it just sits still there on the kitchen or on the room and it doesn't do anything. So today we're gonna see how to test it, how to make sure that it's working, how to test the sensors and the sound, and make sure that when there's a real emergency, everything's gonna be in tip-top shape. Okay, so first of all, grab your smartphone and we're gonna go to the Nest app. Here you will see, well, first of all, if you have a Nest Cam, you'll see this here, and also the Nest Protect downstairs. So it says kitchen is okay, last checked 2 minutes ago, sensors, alarm, voice, battery, and Wi-Fi. I did the test just before this, and you could see a history. So you could see from the 1st to the 23rd of last month of December. Okay, and we can click on done. So you can see this is very familiar interface, very clean. You could go to history once again, but what we care about right now is checkup. So it says make sure that your second generation Nest Protect is close, and then tap continue. So that's the second generation Nest. We're just gonna click on continue, and it's gonna connect. Hope there's no problem. It says that I performed my last test 4 minutes ago, and it's gonna start in 7 seconds. This is very loud, so be careful.
Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Just a moment.
Okay, so it's performing some other tests. It's not only does the beeping to make sure that the sound and the microphone works, it also does the sensors and other stuff, so batteries and that. So it's not just beeping and microphone. So as you can see, it's back to its normal self. It says Nest, kitchen, everything's okay. We could do it once again, but what's the idea with it? This is going to keep your house safe. Make sure that you do it every so often. Nest also does it in a regular basis in case, I think it's 90 days. But in case you want to do it a little bit earlier, you are able to do it manually, and that's great. Also, it's gonna notify you, other than the beeping, it's gonna notify you on your phone, so that's great. So this has been a really quick review, checkout of the alarm on the Nest Protect. And if you like this video, have any questions, leave likes, subscribe to the YouTube channel, comments on the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.